Hello. Decided to stop in and make another quick little fake bake Christmas ornament. Well, it's not a, you could use that as an ornament. You could actually use it for whatever you want. For a little decoration on your table, whatever. So I took 3 little Christmas trees. Presents from Dollar Tree. You get, I believe you get 12 in a pack. So I just glued them together. I also got this from Dollar Tree. I got this last month because this is like my Christmas, what I use like for my Christmas stuff. Okay, so I already got my lightweight spackle over here. So I want to get some in there. All right. Then I want to push my little presents in there. See? Let's put a little bit of snow. Okay, move this to the side. See what we got so far. All right. Then we are going to seal it. See, and the presents are still stuck in there. And then we're going to take a little bit more of this lightweight spackle, which I'm making a mess with. All right, see. I was gonna add some snow, but I'm gonna add some glitter. Then I think I want to add, I bought these little trees, 6 in a pack from Dollar Tree. They have white ones and they have little green ones. Gotta turn it my way a minute. Put a little tree. Put another little tree. And then I have this cute little Christmas little girl. I'll stick her up in here. And then I wanted to put, well, maybe I could put one of these candy canes. Yeah. All right. I am making a mess with this. Why are you doing this to me today? Okay, we're gonna get a little bit of spackle back here on this tree. Do this. go. Oh, we need some more glitter now. Well, you know what? No, we'll put some snow. Maybe it'll help if I wipe my hands down. And there we go. That turned out really cute. And you can sit this on a table. You can sit it wherever you want in your house. You could give it away as a little gift. Like I said, you could use it as a little ornament if you want for your tree. Just let the spackle dry. And you can use it also in your tree. You can use it wherever. I think I'm going to use it in the middle of one of my tables. But that was one quick little one I wanted to do with you guys. I thought of it after I got off my first video. It's like, you know what? We're going to go back on and do another little one. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I can craft all day. So there's that. I really like this. This turned out really cute. So I'm going to leave you guys again, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to please subscribe to my channel and give me some likes for my video, please. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.